to do multiplication with the stem game. We're going to do the dynamic multiplication that requires exchange. So first I'm going to write the multiplicand. 2345. And then I'm going to write down number 3. This is the multiplier. The multiplier is the number that tells you how many times you have to make the multiplicand. And this is the multiplication sign. And this is the equal sign. So now we have to make the multiplicand 2345 3 times. Five units. Or 10. 300. 2000. Already made the multiplicand 1 time. We need to make the multiplicand 2 more. Now we can use the ruler here and make this multiplicand. Now we made the multiplicand 2 times. 1 time, 2 times. So we need to make the multiplicand 1 more time. Now we have made the multiplicand 3 times. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Do you remember what we do in multiplication? We put them together. Remind about the rule. When we get to 10, we need to stop and exchange from the one of the next categories. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We extend 10 units to 110. Okay, so how many units we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We exchange with 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. We exchange with 100. Now we have 310. We're going to write down 310. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many hundred do we have? 0. And let's see how many thousand do we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7,000. Now every time we finish the operation, we're going to read the whole equation. 2,345 times 3 equals 7,035. Okay. After we give a lesson to a child, we're going to invite the child to do as many operations as he wants. When he's done, we put this paper to his folder. When done, we need to clean up. Always have the child to clean up his work.